Real estate has never been just about listings. It's about presentation, trust, and connection. Yet today's marketing tools often add cost, complexity, and compromise. I'm Richard Hillier, a founding member of the innovative team at Picture This 3D. For years, we've collaborated with real estate professionals to design a smarter, more seamless way to deliver the immersive experiences modern buyers expect, without diminishing the human touch and expertise that define exceptional real estate. In just 5 simple steps, your photos, floor plans, videos, property details, and immersive features come together in one unified, visually stunning presentation. Automation handles the heavy lifting where it's useful, while full customization empowers you to stand out in competitive markets. With Picture This 3D, homebuyers can explore your digital listings as if they're walking through the property. They can visualize renovations, experiment with decor, and truly make the space their own, even before booking a showing. After their visit, they can revisit the property anytime, see exactly how their furniture fits, and share the experience with family and friends. You are always in control. Your branding, your style, your story. No creative limits. Work more efficiently without sacrificing what makes you unique. No two listings are the same, and listing presentations shouldn't be either. The good news is that digital space isn't sold by the square inch, so take all the room you need to fully showcase the property and captivate buyers. The result? A high-quality digital brochure enhanced with immersive features that capture attention, keep buyers engaged longer, and help properties sell faster across mobile, web, and social platforms. This is the future of real estate marketing: high-end, affordable, immersive, and unmistakably human. Embrace what's next while staying true to everything that sets you apart. Call me anytime. I would love to include you in the conversation.